Hello students, this is Prashant sir. This video is for the explanation of holiday homework for class 8th. Okay. In this video I have given some activity which I have to explain this. The very first activity is based on angle sum property of interior angles of a polygon. Okay. I am explaining taking an example of a quadrilateral. Okay, I have to find out the sum of all the angles of this. Okay, so you see how will you do all this thing? You do have to draw. It's very simple. You have to draw a simple quadrilateral in your maths notebook. Then divide it into two triangles by drawing a diagonal. See this triangle 1, this is triangle 2. We know that the sum of all these angles, okay, look at this. If you see this triangle 1, the sum of all the angles will be what? 180 degree. Similarly for the second one is 180 degree. So the total angle will be what? 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is 360 degree. In this activity there are some questions like give the number of triangles in each shape. Look at this, in this shape there are how many triangles? 2. Then what is the sum of all these things? That is 360 degree. Likewise we can do for pentagon, for heptagon. Okay, then you have to generalize this for the polygon of n sides. Okay, now it's time to explain activity 2. Activity 2 is based on the angle sum property of exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, again I'll take one thing and you have to do rest of the things. Suppose there's a triangle. First you have to draw all the exterior angles. See how will you draw it? First name it A, B and C. Starting from like this in anti-clockwise direction, produce AB like this, then BC, then CA. When you produce it now, you will get some angles here, like here let it be X, this is Y and this is Z. There are how many? These are 3 exterior angles. Okay, so likewise you have to do for quadrilateral, pentagon and octagon. Then you have to measure all these things with the help of protractor. Okay, you have to take it to the protractor and you have to measure this angle X, then angle Y and then the angle Z. Same for quadrilateral and all these things. And on the basis of that you have to give the answer. The very first question is write the number of exterior angle in each shape. So in the triangle it is 3, for quadrilateral it will be 4. Then second question is write the sum of exterior angles in each case. When you have counted this X, you must have got some values. इसकी कुछ values आई, let it be X. इसकी Y, this is also got Y, this is Z. When you will add up all these things, you will get some number here. Let it be capital A. When you will add all these things. Okay. Similarly, you have to do for quadrilateral, pentagon and all these things. Then the third question is, are the above sum same for each case? That I am leaving on you people to find out. Now for activity 3, it's very simple. Okay, in that you have to show the property of diagonal of a parallelogram, that the diagonals bisect each other. It's very simple that you can do it of your own. Let's move to question number, next question. In this question, it is actually based on construction. You have to draw a parallelogram and then you have to give the answers of the question which is asked. I am doing the very first question. Draw a parallelogram, that you have to make it. Okay, suppose this is the parallelogram. This question number 7, and when you will draw this, name it as A B, sorry, it is more, it is MORE. In this you have to answer the questions, like measure its size. You have to measure all these sides, this one, and then you have to measure the opposite sides, like this and this and this. Then you have to say that whether they are same. Yes, when you will measure it na, these and this will be same, this and this will also be same. Likewise, you have to measure this angles with a protractor, and you will find that these angles are equal. Then you have to measure the diagonals and give the answer of the question. Likewise, you have to do question number 8, 9, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9 is based on construction. Now in question number 10, you have to give once or more than one slogan related to coronavirus. Okay, we all are trapped in our home because of this coronavirus. Okay, so you have to write once or more than one slogan related to coronavirus in which some mathematical terms should be used. Mathematical terms means you can use that you have to do it of your own, means square, rectangle, parallel lines, plus, minus, division. The terms which you can think is used in maths, that you have to use and make one slogan for this coronavirus. This is all about the assignment. Okay, thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.